Hi everybody, welcome back to TJ's Tiny Home Tip. My name is Terry. And I'm going to tell you what's going on. I was going through our box of seeds the other day and see what we needed to get for this year's planting. And I come across these onion bulb seeds that we've got at the state fair. And I got to looking at them, and the best used by day sales is $12.15. Okay, that's like, what? This is 24, almost 9 years ago. Well, I decided I'm going to see if they're still good. They should be, but I'm not 100% certain. So I'm going to plant some, set them in the window, see what happens. All right, I got my dirt pot, my little pod things ready. Okay, put like 3 seeds in each one. If they do come up, good. If they don't, all I've done is wasted my time. 2, 4, 1. My dog out there barking. He barks at everything. Anyway, these were from the extension center that was giving them away at the fair. And I think we got some wildflowers too, but this one really caught my eye because of the date on them. I didn't realize they were old, but I'm going to try it and see. I mean, like I said, it can't hurt. There's a little dirt on top of them. Put some water in it, and I'm going to wrap the top in plastic. Make a little greenhouse effect. Alright, I should cover them up. The doorbell keeps going off. I don't know what's causing it to go off. So, sorry. Okay, just enough water to make them wet. There we go. Now, I can't get the plastic wrap down because I'm short. Here's my extended fingers of plastic wrap. Alright. This is a new box we bought. Where's it open? Right there. Come on. Can't be an idiot. There we go. Okay, I can't be that big of an idiot. Anyway, the plastic wrap will help make it into a little greenhouse, and I'll set it over there in one of my big windows. And we'll see what happens. Okay. This way. Scissors. Oops. If they do come up, I'll use the other seeds in my vegetable bed garden that we got above ground. Got 2, I think, 7-foot ones for this year. Okay, there we go. All right, cross your fingers. See if they come up. The least they can do is not come up, and all I've wasted is my time. But I think they should. I mean, seeds are seeds. We've had them in a dark room, in a closet. So they should come up. But we'll see. So I'll see you I'll follow up on this in about a week and get back with you. So for now, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And thank you for watching.